chef's secret to sharpen any dull knife quickly. To start, we need a regular cup, one you probably already have at home. Any ordinary ceramic cup will do, but there's a trick to how we'll use it. First, flip the cup upside down because we're going to use the rough ceramic edge at the base. Ceramic is commonly used in kitchenware, but what many don't know is that its rough surface is excellent for sharpening dull knives in a pinch. Next, take your knife and position it at about a 20-degree angle on the ceramic edge. Then, just like this, start gently running the blade across the ceramic surface for about 2 minutes. Make sure to do both sides evenly, sliding the knife back and forth. Take a quick moment to tell me where you're watching from. I love giving shout-outs to all of you tuning in. Today's shout-out goes to Ruth from Chicago. How many times have you struggled with a dull knife, especially when you need it the most? Over time, even the best knives start losing their edge, making cutting frustrating and unsafe. Once you've sharpened both sides for about 2 minutes, it's time to test the knife. Here's the exciting part. Grab a piece of paper or a vegetable and slice through it. You'll notice right away that it cuts way more smoothly and effortlessly than before.